I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play 3-card poker. This exciting casino game pits your 3-card hand against the dealer's. You will use a standard 52-card deck. To begin, each player places an initial ante bet and can also choose to make an optional pair plus wager for extra excitement. After all initial bets are placed, the dealer distributes 3 cards face down to each player and themselves. Once you've seen your hand, you must decide your next move. You can either fold, forfeiting your ante and any pair plus bet, or make a play bet equal to your ante. The dealer then reveals their hand, which must be at least queen high to qualify. If the dealer does not qualify, your ante bet wins even money and your play bet is returned. If the dealer qualifies, your hand is compared to theirs. If you win, both your ante and play bets pay 1-to-1. Understanding hand rankings is crucial. Remember, a straight is higher than a flush in this game. The best hands are a straight flush or 3 of a kind. For strategy, it's generally wise to fold if your hand is lower than queen high. Practice helps you recognize winning opportunities and make informed decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.